How to set up a binary options trading account is the most asked questions for every new forex trader who wants to try binary options. Without taking much of your time, my name is Radio, this is BILBRIDGE. Let's just go straight into the video. This is Pocket Option. This is one of the leading binary brokers as you can get in the market. For so many reasons, we have tested out so many other brokers, and this is literally one of the best, if not the best. We've been trading with Pocket Option for some time now, and it's been good. Mind you, we have tried so many other brokers. For us to settle down and decide to stick with Pocket Option, you should know there are so many reasons for that, but that is not what this video is all about. Let's go straight into the registration. To register on Pocket Option, use the link in the description below to get a one-time bonus, and so we can always track your progress and be able to support you and assist you technically at any day, anytime by using the link below. So the first thing you need to do right now is to put in your email address and the password you want to use. You can easily just type in your email address or paste your email address. Set a very secured password. I'll advise you use capital letters mixed with small letters with numbers. If you can put dots or any other symbol that is allowed, just put it in. Then accept. I have read and accepted following agreement. Public offer. You don't need to click on it and look into it. Just click I have read and accept, then sign up. Simple as ABC. Now we are inside our Pocket Option account, and as you can see on the screen, it says welcome to Pocket Option. Continue demo trading, how to earn real money with us, video tutorials and all that. You can go ahead and watch the video tutorials. They are helpful and they will help you on your journey. And if you need any video regarding Pocket Options, or you have questions or suggestions, you can easily reach out to us. All the link to contact us is in the description. I'm just going to click continue demo trading. By default, this is the interface you get when setting up a Pocket Option account and when it takes you into the account. But then you can easily tweak and twist and set it up the way you actually want it. Let us just close this bar that is showing sentimental analysis, how many buyers are buying this, how many sellers are selling this. So just close that. We don't really need that. If you feel you need it, you can just leave it and use it in your trading, but I don't really recommend you using that to trade. You can see this session where you can see the put option, the call option, where you can see your time frame and all that. Because I use some indicators and oscillators, I'll rather click this tiny arrow that says trade panel position, and I'll put it to the right. As you can see right here on the screen, it is on the right. Then let's go ahead to the next thing, which is actually setting up your profile, putting in your name, putting in your data and every other thing in between. So for now, where you need to go straight up is profile. And you can see you have two different profiles. Trading profile, this is where you see a summary of your journey so far, how much you've earned, how much trade you've lost, how much you've won, your winning pairs, your losing pairs, and so on and so forth. That is not what we want to go into right now. We want to check out our profile and fill out what we need to fill. This is the tricky part. You need to get this done. This is the KYC verification. This is know your customer, and this is where you'll be putting in your details, putting in your documents for verification. So you put in your first name. After you put it in, you see this tick icon to confirm, then you click on it. It puts it in. You can see success profile data has been changed successfully. Let's go on and do the other details. We need to verify our email address, and we also need to verify our phone number. So the next thing I need to do now is click resend verification, or go into my email, look out for the verification email, click on it and get the account verified. You can see right here it says confirm email. When I click on it, it takes me back into Pocket Option. And looking at the screen, you can see it says your email has been successfully verified. Email verified, you see, is gone. Now phone number verification, you need to put in your phone number verify your phone number too. When you type in your phone number, click on it. It tells you to put in your number. Any country you are in, any part of the world, just select your country. It will bring out your country code by default. Then put in your phone number. And when you are done, click this confirmation icon. Then when the number displays right here, click on verify and verify your mobile number. A code will be sent to your phone. Then you put in the code back here to verify your phone. Then put in your date of birth, select the day, select the month, put in your year of birth. Let's just put in year 2000 and a random date. Between, this is just a demo account, a random account. I'm setting up to show you how to use Pocket Option and how to set up a Pocket Option account. Then you select your gender, which is also known as sex. As you can see here, sex, click on it, select your sex, then click confirm. We are done with the identity information now. Now we need to go to the address information. Before you fill in your address, I need you to know something. Right here you can see address status. Before uploading the document, please fill in this information in your profile. State, region, city, address, right here. You need to fill this out first. And why is it important to fill this out first? Because whatever address you fill in right here will need to correspond with the document you are uploading to verify your address inside Pocket Option. Whatever address you are filling into your address information is the same address that has to be on the document you'll be using to verify your Pocket Option account. So before you fill in this info, make sure you have your document ready and the address on the document is what you're actually filling in here. So if you need the document to use in verifying your Pocket Option account, log into your bank account, download your statement of account, even if it's just a day statement, as long as it carries your address, send it to your email, download it. That same PDF is what you are uploading in here. Just open the PDF, copy whatever address that is there on the statement of account and type it in here line after line, or just paste. Let's fill in state. Let's say Lagos State. Let's fill in city. Let's say Lagos. Then address. On my bank account statement, that is the fastest document to verify on all these brokers, most especially Pocket Option. Then I will open the document, type in exactly the address on my statement of account. So let's say the address on my statement of account is 500 Kings Road, Lagos. Probably there's the second line, then let's put that in Victoria Island. As I said earlier on, these are random informations and random data. I'm just setting all this up to show you how to set up a Pocket Option account and how to verify. Then go into zip code, click on it, put in your zip code and click confirm. That is that. We have our address info filled. The next thing we need to do right now is upload our identity verification document and our address verification document. Identity status, you click on here, select your ID card. Let me just select one random image, put it in. You can see the progress is actually loading and showing you is uploading your document. Right now you can see we have actually uploaded this document and verification is in process. Verification is in process. The same way it showed verified right here, when your identity is verified, be it your national ID card, your international passport, your driving license, or any government ID, it will actually show verified right here. Then we click on address verification right here. It says utility bill or bank statement, no more than 3 months old. Whatever document you're uploading must not be more than 3 months old. The problem with utility bill around this part of the world is that most of the time it doesn't bear your name. It bears the name of the homeowner, the house owner, probably your landlord, your estate, or whoever owns the property you live in, except you are living in your own property, and good luck, you can upload that document. It will also be verified. So let's just assume this is my utility bill or my statement of account. I'll click it and upload the same thing right here. And as you can see, it also says verification in process. By the time we refresh this page, in the next 30 minutes, 1 hour to 6 hours or thereabout, you will see verified right here. Verified right here if all these informations tally. The information on your bio, on your profile, your identity info tallies with your identity status. Fine. Put in your image you want to use as your display image. I'm just putting this same picture over and over again just to show you how to upload anything you want to upload. Let's assume this is me right here. Then I click save. That is it. You can see this is my avatar right now. You can hide your profile, which I don't recommend. You can change your nickname. So let's say so your notifications is up to you now to set the notifications you want to get. I leave my email notification and almost every other notification I turn it off because I don't want a lot of emails and junk in my box. I'll leave my trading statement on. That will be sent to me from time to time, so I'll know what's happening. Then I turn on sound notifications. Every time you enter into a new trade or a trade comes to an end, it notifies you by sound. If you're not an English speaking trader, you can select your language based on your country or the language you speak. Any day you decide to delete your account, you can easily click this delete account, but make sure all your money is out of your account before you delete. Why do you need to verify your account, your address and your identity? It doesn't stop you from trading, but you will not be able to make withdrawals until you verify your account. That is why when you set up your account, first thing you need to do is to put in all your information and put in your verification document. While you trade, your account will be verified. Now we have successfully been able to set up our profile. In case you need to do some security settings, you can see the tab right here, click on security, and you can change your password. You can set two-factor authentication for login or for withdrawals to make sure your account is intact and so on. So you see your login history right here on your computer. Whenever you want to see your trading history, how much you've withdrawn, how much you've deposited, just click on trading history and it will bring you here, which you can also see from finance. Now all this is done, you want to return to your home page where you can trade easily. All you need to do is look at this icon right here that says trading. Click on trading, come back to digital trading real account. It will take you back into your binary options trading page. Now it's telling me to deposit some money. If you are ready to deposit money right now, there's another video in description on how to fund your pocket option account. Click the video and it will guide you on how to fund your pocket option account the best way and the fastest way. Now we just want to click on continue demo trading because any new account you set up, you need to actually try it out before you trade. Let's go on. That is how to set up a pocket option account. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. If you love this video and it's been helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, share the video with friends and family, and remember to click the subscribe button if you're not subscribed to our channel to be the first to know when we post new content. And most especially, if you turn on the notification bell button, it will always pop up on your phone or your device, anywhere, anytime. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to deposit into your pocket option account, there's a link to the video in the description. Click on the video and it will guide you on how to deposit money into your pocket option account. Once again, my name is Radio, this is BILBRIDGE, and see you in the next video.